Right, the constructions that you're going to see today that you think are new to you are not new. What you hopefully see is all I'm going to do is I'm going to remind you of the constructions we've already done, and you'll see how they kind of get pulled together or worked together to form these new constructions. But really, there's not a single thing that's new today that we haven't already talked about in the 3 or 4 constructions that we've done already. All right, so if you don't have your construction tools out, go ahead and just take a second and get those out, please. And we're going to go through a handful of constructions. Okay, so the very first construction has to do with just constructing a right angle. If all you're asked to do is construct a right angle, it doesn't matter which method you use, so the easiest method to use is just going to be that of the perpendicular bisector. Okay, so the reminder for this, if you construct a perpendicular bisector of a segment, you're going to place your compass tip on one end point, widen the compass so that it extends beyond the halfway point or the midpoint of your segment. You're going to construct an arc. And again, you can take it almost to 180 degrees or a semicircle to ensure that you're going to pass through or find an arc intersection on top and the bottom. And as I continue my arc, placing the compass tip on the other endpoint of my segment without changing the compass at all, the measure of the compass, what you can now do is connect these two arc intersections. And when you do that, the segment that you draw is going to be the perpendicular bisector of that original segment. So in looking at this, we have our right angle. Each of these segments on that original segment would have been equal or congruent, but all we needed from this was the right angle. So if all you need to do is create a right angle using the perpendicular bisector, probably the easiest way to approach that.